meeting that we have a presentation tomorrow, so I'll be doing that. Yeah, let's go. I have reached and my team people are still not here. I'm waiting for them. Honestly, I know this right. So we have a poster made and we are just doing the final touches here. We need to stick the heading, face to wear, and the poster. That's the last minute thing. So we are done with completing our poster. We have the presentation of the poster tomorrow, and now I'm going back to my place. I have a class, another class after 1 hour. So right now I'm going back and will eat something and charge my phone because my phone is like also not charged. So yeah. You're the only one that's on repeat. You're like coffee in the... So I cannot make anything like from scratch since I have class in 1 hour and I have to like leave in like 30-40 minutes. So I just can't make and eat like from scratch. So I am making Maggie. Yes. And I have got this new flavor of Maggie called Malaysian flavor. It's a Malaysian flavor. It's a curry flavor. And this is so good. Like it's spicy. It's everything. It's just... mwah. A dream, I'd wake up to you in the morning. So please. So when you have to wash your utensils yourself, you don't use many utensils. So I have to eat with this fork. So I'm using this fork only just to make it. Because if I use something else, I have to wash that even and this even. So what's the point? So here is Maggie and some chips. Bachelor's life. And I'm watching Vampire Diaries. And yeah.
I don't want you in my life. I understand that. You already have a lot of people that you care about. But I've been studying. Let's see if I got this right.
So guys, I came back from the class and I just came and slept. So it's like some time past that. And now I have an online class to attend. So I'll be attending that. And also I was seeing the video that I've uploaded today, the Vlogmas Day 1. It's doing pretty good. And I'm so happy that you guys are liking the Vlogmas. It gives me like motivation to make more videos. So keep appreciating and subscribe to my channel as well. Follow me on Instagram. Yeah. So guys, I am done with my class. Now I'm feeling hungry because I have eaten just Maggie. So I'll be going and making my dinner. I'm planning to make mushroom ki sabzi. So yeah, let's get started with that. Okay, so let's start by chopping some mushrooms. So I'm taking out mushrooms. Let's start chopping them.
Up and away. Get the fuck out of my face. I'm smoking a blunt to the face. Houston, I'm lost in space. Yeah, up and away. I'm smoking a blunt to the face. I just need my space.
So I have chopped like all the veggies that are required to make mushroom ki sabzi. But like, let's get started with the sabzi.
Up and away. Please get out of my way. I don't feel like talking. You can see it in my face. Yeah, please don't kill my vibe. Don't ask why, just don't do it. Oh, I don't need an alibi. When I fly, I just do it, bro. Keep it control. Headphones in, I get lost in the smoke. It's all in my mind if I learn to let go.
After coughing a lot while making it, this always happens. Like always, the mirch goes inside my nose and I always like cough a lot. But the sabzi is made. I'll show you. This is the mushroom ki sabzi. The mushroom leaves water. Apparently, I got to know, so it becomes like all together and mixed together. And yeah, and also the tomatoes leave water. So This is why you can see this. Learned a lot about cooking, which I have never done in my life, like never. And here I've like mastered it now. Also put some chole in water so like they'll get all soaked up. They're already soaked. Like I've kept them for like 4-5 hours now, and I'll make them tomorrow. So I can't make rotis because I don't have flame gas with me. I only have induction. So I use these tortilla to act as like a roti and eat the sabzi with it. This is the food, and I'll be doing some work which I have to like submit. I have to write like 3,000 words and then submit it. So I'll be doing that along with it. And yeah.
Jedi getting high out in Bismarck, we blessed, man. Up and away. Get the fuck out of my face. I'm smoking a blunt to the face. Houston, I'm lost in space. Yeah, up and away. I'm smoking a blunt to the face. I just need my.
So guys, I was doing my assignment and I thought like just check what's going in the World Cup because Spain is playing today. And right now Spain and Germany are getting out of the World Cup. And I'm like, no, I can't let that happen. Like, let Germany go, but not Spain. Costa Rica and Japan are getting through. Like, what is happening? No! I'm terrified. No. So guys, I have done with today's work of doing my assignment. And it's 11 at the moment. So I'm ending this vlog. And I'll see you tomorrow. Yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and keep me motivated to post till 25 days because I lack in consistency. So your likes, your comments will like keep me motivated. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow.